Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things life, family, food, and fun. Today we're talking a life hack that'll make your life just a little bit easier. Today I'm going to teach you how to get that mildew smell out of your laundry if you've left your laundry in there for just a bit longer than you had planned. I mean, I've never done that, but if somebody else has done that, this is a good tip. So if you're interested in finding out how to do that without having to rewash your laundry, just keep watching and let's do this. All of us are super busy women. We've got kids, we've got careers, we've got school, we've got life, tons of stuff going on. And sometimes we throw some laundry into the wash, hit the start button, and then we forget that it's been there for like a day or 2 or 7. Nobody else? Just me? Okay. Well, if you've ever done that, you go to open up the lid and your clothes smell worse than when you put them in there. And if you have boys, that is saying something. I'm just saying. I don't know about you, but my wash cycle takes 1 hour and 13 minutes to wash clothes. And with the amount of kids we have, plus my husband and I don't got time to wash that again. And yeah, you're probably saying, well, don't forget to put it in the dryer. Well, okay, I'm sorry. I forgot to put it in the dryer.
You are such a loser.
But I found a trick that'll keep you from having to rewash the entire load. You just have to go through the rinse cycle, which only takes 10 or 15 minutes, and you are back in business. So the thing that I found is lemon essential oil. You can use any brand that you like, just get an essential oil that's lemon. Put a few drops into your laundry, hit the rinse cycle, and in 10 to 15 minutes, all the smell is supposed to be gone. They're supposed to smell fresh and clean. So I put this hack to the test, and let's see what happened. Okay, you guys, I'm here in my laundry room and I have purposely washed my son's clothing. I washed it on Sunday. Today is Thursday, so it has been sitting in here for 4 days. So I'm gonna lift this up and see how bad the smell is. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's pretty raunchy. It's pretty bad. Okay, so the hack is you take some essential oil lemon and you put several drops into the wash and run the rinse cycle, and supposedly all of that disgusting smell is supposed to completely go away without having to go through the whole washing cycle again. So we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna put this in here. A couple little drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that. 6 or 7 maybe, 10. 25. Okay, and then we're gonna just put this on the rinse cycle and we will see. Okay, back, rinse cycle's done, and let's see. I'm a little nervous. Sometimes these hacks are not very helpful. Well, let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, this actually works. There is no smell at all from the mildew that had grown on here for 4 days. I am impressed. It doesn't even smell like lemon, it just smells fresh. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Try this hack if you are a busy woman and you have forgotten your laundry. Okay, you guys, I have to tell you something really funny. Because I had done this with my son's laundry for 4 days, I took him to the doctor this morning because he was sick, and they made him take his shoes off in order to get his height and weight. And he had on green Christmas socks, and the lady commented, "Oh my gosh, you're wearing Christmas socks, and it's February." And when I'm filming this, and he goes, "Yeah, because I don't have any laundry left. I didn't have anything left but Christmas socks." And I was thinking, yeah, that's because of me, because I'm mildewing your laundry. Oh my gosh, ladies, this is a game changer because, you know, it's not like I do this often. Okay, so I've done it often. So now I've got lemon in my laundry room specifically for this purpose because it probably happens way more than it should happen. But when it does, I don't have to redo my laundry. Throw a couple lemon drops in there. I think I probably dropped like 5 or 6 because it came out really fast. But I ran it through the rinse cycle. Everything was great. Threw it in the dryer and I was good to go. The next time this happens, give this a shot and tell me in the comments if it works in your laundry or if you actually ever have this problem like me.
Also, you guys, if you don't have someone that you buy your oils from, or if you've never bought any essential oils, I have a couple of friends that I've put their information in the description box below, and you can contact them and they will hook you up with some of this lemon oil. It's really, really cool. And no, I don't get any kind of kickback or commission from it. I'm just letting you know that I have a couple of friends who sell it. And if you don't have someone who sells it, then you can check them out below. That's just what we do on this channel. We help each other out, we inspire one another, and we do life together. That's what this channel is about. So check those ladies out below and get yourself some lemon oil.
Okay, so that's everything for today's video. I hope that you found it helpful and insightful, and hopefully it'll help you save a few extra minutes in your week so that you can be inspired to do something else with that time. If you want to be inspired to do something else, check out my video on embracing some change and trying something new. If you haven't seen it, I will link it in the card above here right now. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love doing life with you. Please leave me a comment below on any kind of new hack that you would like me to try out in the future. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me on my channel. Thank you so much, and until the next time, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.